Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we gonna talk about the icing over problem in our air conditioner. There are many reasons why your AC unit may be freezing up. First of all, you have to open the front panel and check the cooling coil for icing over. You can see this is the cooling coil, and maybe sometime here you can see the icing. Most of the time you can see the icing on bends, these bends of the cooling coil or evaporator coil. So as you can see, this is the cooling coil, or you can say evaporator coil, and here is a connected, you see it is attached thermostat. This is the thermostat. We can control from here. Okay, so if the thermostat is not working or open or in short condition, you can face the icing over problem in air conditioner. So the most common cause of icing over is this. As you can see, this is the air blower. Maybe sometime it is too much dirty, and as you can see, this is motor. Maybe your fan motor is faulty. If your fan motor will not run and airflow will not come out, so you will face the icing over problem in your air conditioner. So make sure your fan motor is in good condition, and double check your capacitor also. So this is also the reason for icing over if your air filter, cooling coil and condenser coil, as you can see this is the condenser coil, is blocked with the dust. So mostly we do not clean our air filter on time. So as you can see, this is the air filter. Because of that, cooling coil also become dirty or choked with the dust. So make sure these three parts always clean if you face this problem. So the low level of refrigerant is also the cause of this problem. Unless you can see the refrigerant actively leaking near your exterior air conditioning unit, you may not be able to confirm that this is the cause. An HVAC technician can quickly identify it. Charging refrigerant and checking for leaks are both a part of a regular air conditioner maintenance. So you must hire a technician in this condition. Sometimes the refrigerant is not circulate well in these pipes, as you can see, because of choking problem. As you can see, this is the filter, or you can say dryer. Most of the time this filter is choked with the oil because inside the compressor have oil. So most of the time we face this problem. Sometimes the oil comes inside the tubes and it will choke the filter or dryer. So the refrigerants, it is not circulate well. This is also the cause of icing over. Thanks for watching.